My name is Jason Buba, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer at NORCAT. Here at NORCAT, we are the one-stop shop for all that is mine skills training, health and safety, advisory, and mining technology testing. We use ThoroughTech simulators when we train our new miners to enter the industry, and in that, we believe in a blended learning environment. We start off with in-class instruction, and they're getting instruction from experienced operators. From there, we move on to learning technologies, and that includes ThoroughTech simulators. And in these simulators, they're sitting behind the cab of the actual equipment that they're going to be using in the field. And they practice, and they grow their new skills.
So my name is Chris Grimard. I'm a trainer at NORCAT here. I like the simulator because the exact control configuration that is in the machine is also in the simulator itself. So it gives them a very good hands-on feel for the machine. And once they get into the real piece of equipment, they already know how to make it move and how to steer it. Another thing I like is cost effectiveness. In the simulator, you can do just about anything you want. You can slam that thing against the wall all day long and it's not going to hurt anybody. You don't have to take the piece of equipment out of production. You don't have to take the operator out of doing his job, and you're not looking at any significant costs to repairs or downtime.
Once they gain a certain level of competence and confidence in that, then we can expose them to high-hazard scenarios, such as engine fires and brake failures, and have them build the muscle memory to be able to respond to these types of scenarios that we can't train them on in real life.
It's one of the big pluses for a simulator, and we continually do it over and over and over again until it becomes second nature.
The research that we've done in conjunction with the Toronto Metropolitan University, we found that we bring down the stress levels of workers. They are more comfortable with the training that they're doing, and as a result, they're retaining the information faster than through traditional methods. Once they complete that initial week of learning technologies, they head out to our underground center, and there they're going to practice for 4 weeks all of the skills and more that they learned with the learning technologies. And then we get them back in the last week of training. We can see with data use how much they've grown and do they need any top-ups.
A lot of times they won't realize that they're riding the brake pedal as well as the throttle, where the computer actually catches them doing that, which we can go through and use the evaluation to show them where their strengths and weaknesses are, so we can target the weaknesses in order to bring up their strengths.
For existing miners who are upskilling to new pieces of equipment, we help companies get them to that level. Companies send us learners to practice in the ThoroughTech simulator, and in that, it helps prepare these workers for their in-the-field training on the job so that they have the skills needed for the modern mining industry.